In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to adjust the line spacing in Adobe Illustrator. If you want to make text easier to read, fit better inside a layout, or simply look more polished, adjusting line spacing is an important skill to know. In Adobe Illustrator, line spacing is controlled through a setting called leading. And once you know where to find it, it's very simple to change. To begin, select the text you want to edit using the Type tool. You can activate the Type tool by pressing the T key on your keyboard or by choosing it from the toolbar. Make sure the text itself is selected because Illustrator needs to know exactly which text block you want to modify before you can change its spacing. Next, if the character panel is not already visible on your screen, go to the top menu and click Window. From there, find Type, hover over it, and then select Character. This panel contains several text formatting controls, including the one used for line spacing. Opening the character panel is helpful because it gives you more precise control over how your text appears. Once the character panel is open, look for the leading setting. This is represented by an icon that shows two capital letter A's with a line beneath each one. Leading controls the vertical space between lines of text. So this is the setting you'll use to adjust how tight or loose your paragraph looks. Now enter a new value in the leading field. If you increase the value, you'll add more space between each line, which can make the text feel more open and easier to read. If you decrease the value, the lines will move closer together, which can help save space or create a more compact design. It's a good idea to make small adjustments at first so you can clearly see how each change affects the overall appearance of the text. After entering the value you want, click outside the text box to see the result. This lets you view the updated spacing more clearly without the text selection getting in the way. If it doesn't look quite right, you can always select the text again and fine-tune the leading value until it matches the style you're going for. And that's how to adjust the line spacing in Adobe Illustrator. Once you get comfortable with the character panel, you'll be able to control text formatting much more confidently and create cleaner, more professional designs.